just got my Ryobi, however you pronounce it, electric mower, and this is from Direct Tools, from their Blemished line. It's either the box could be damaged or maybe there's a blemish on the actual product. But it's a 13-inch, 18-volt battery, 4 amp, perfect for the size of my lawn. Just gonna go ahead and unbox it and see what this Blemished mower looks like. See, the bagger is on top. This was significantly discounted, just a little over $100. I think it's about way over $200 at Home Depot new. Bag, handle for the mower, mulch plug, the charger. Here's the battery. Looks like it's got a little bit of dust on it. I don't know. Looks fine though. It's got one indicating bar on the power remaining. Alright, so here's a look at it assembled. I got it with a bag on. It's a very small bag. So if you're mowing a lot, you're gonna have to empty it a lot. I'm planning on using the mulcher. This is the mulch plug. So you would take this out and then through the mulch plug in. Boom. Now, as far as any blemishes I've seen on this, there is it's not even a scratch, it's kind of a blemish. You could probably buff it out maybe. Very slight, which will happen anyways once I start mowing. And then there's also another little scratch on the door compartment for the battery. Very minor, otherwise looks brand new. Color looks great. The metal blade is very sharp. I could cut myself if I ran my finger across there, so I'd be careful about that. So that's a look at what you get with Ryobi products from Direct Tools, the Blemished line. They also have reconditioned, but I'd rather just have something like this where it's basically brand new except for some scuffs or minor issues. I'll have a full review coming up. I'm going to mow it a few times and tell you how I like it. Thanks for watching.